Welcome back to Tech Avro. Today in video 3 of our Google Drive series, we are tackling how to download your files and folders quickly without getting stuck in endless zipping loops or broken downloads. Whether you need a single document or an entire heavy folder on your computer, let me show you the right way to download your data. Method 1. Downloading a single file. Find your file inside Google Drive, right-click on it and select Download from the menu. Your browser will start saving the file instantly to your computer. Method 2. Downloading multiple files together. Hold down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac. Click on each file you want to select. Right-click any selected item and click Download. Method 3. Downloading an entire folder. Right-click on the folder name and click Download. Google Drive will automatically compress the folder into a single zip file, prepare it in the bottom right corner and prompt your download. Here is a quick pro tip to avoid download failures on large files. If your download gets stuck during the zipping process, open the folder first. Select files in smaller batches or make sure your browser pop-up blocker isn't stopping the download window. If this download guide saved you time and hassle, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Avro. In video 4, we will explore the Google Drive interface and drag and drop shortcuts. See you there.